people-centric system develops resiliency within the, within a fragile thing. So no, I think I think it's a dynamite time to, to go.
And that kind of brings me to my next point. It's like one thing that I've really been into is, I come from like the digital marketing world, ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson, Ty Lopez, all those things. And, I think that it's really neat to see digital farming become a thing, YouTubers and all this, and really, excel over the last couple of years. And, what was interesting that I wanted to talk to you about was, not only are you on Mount Rushmore for, traditional farming and everything like that, but you also are everywhere as far as YouTube, the internet. How is the internet and just really utilizing, podcasts and YouTube, how much has that played into your schedule? I think that that's like another huge element of farming as well. I mean, being out there on social media, trying to build up your marketing channels.
Yeah. Societal conversation is happening on social media. And certainly, I'm not, look, I don't even have a smartphone. Okay. So I'm a Luddite in that respect, but I've had people here who do that. And so if you have a business, you'd better have a website and a social media presence. But at the same time, if you don't have a production, if you don't have a production system that backs up your social cred, you're going to be out of business pretty soon. So it takes both. You've got to have a place that is attractive and exceeds your social media message, and your initial contact with everybody is going to be social media, website, that sort of thing. Yeah, it's a huge, it's a huge element of what we do, and we call it stoking the boiler.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.